Hello students of 8th standard. Today we are going to start the 8th chapter, that is nothing but pollution. So what everybody nowadays there is a pollution everywhere. Whenever we go out from our house, we find that there is a pollution. So we are going to learn something about the pollutions in this chapter. Why these problems in environment may have been arised? Why these pollution problems have been arised? Because nowadays what we are doing, we are cutting the jungles, we are cutting the trees, and we are building the buildings, or you can say industries, factories are built, and as there is no air, or you can say no fresh air, no you can say trees, as there is a less amount of trees, the carbon dioxide is not inhaled by the trees. There is a more amount of, you can say, pollution everywhere. What should be done to overcome these problems? To overcome this problem, we have to plant more trees. We should not cut the jungles. We should not do the pollution. These all things we are going to see in this chapter. See, many problems have arisen on the earth due to the human interference in the nature. As the human being, as he is progressing day by day, what he is doing, he is interfering into the nature. Industrialization, increasing population, mining, transportation, indiscriminate use of the pesticides, or you can say fertilizers. All these are causing the problems of the pollution. So it is affecting the human beings indirectly. So what is pollution? Pollution is nothing but a contamination of a, you can say, natural environment that will be harmful to the ecosystem is called as a, you can say, pollution. That means there is something contaminated into the natural things. Natural things, for example, we take that of the air, water, or you can say soil. Whenever these three things are, you can say, contaminated with any another things, they get polluted and there will be a pollution. First one, see there, pollutants. Factors affecting the natural function of ecosystem are causing harmful effects on biotic and abiotic factors, which are called as a pollutant. Pollutants are what? These are nothing but the, you can say, affecting the natural aspects of the environment. They are indirectly affecting the abiotic and biotic factors. These are called as the pollutants. Pollutants make the environment unhealthy, or you can say poisonous, or it destroys the balance of the, you can say, environment. Pollutants may be natural, or you can say may be man-made. Natural pollutants are destroyed in due course of a time by a nature rule. However, man-made pollutants are not. Whenever there are natural, you can say, reasons for the destroying the, you can say, ecosystem, the nature itself will adjust with that. But if there is a man-made, you can say, pollutants, or man-made reasons are there to destroy the balance of the nature, then it will take a more time. See here, if natural materials are pollutant, why do we pursue them? Adverse effect during their use. When such materials are referred are pollutants. When we refer these natural things as a pollutants, whenever they are harming the ecological, or you can say ecosystem, or the natural things whichever are present in our present on our earth. Now see, one activity you have to do. You yourself survey your residential area and identify the polluted locations. You have to yourself search for the pollution, or you can say polluted location. Try to identify the pollutant of each pollutant location. You have to identify why there is a pollution in such case of a locations. See the next one, air pollution. What you have to do? You have to plot a graph showing a proportion of various gases in the Earth's atmosphere. what you have to do, you have to plot a graph of showing the various gases which are affecting the Earth's atmosphere. Why is it said air is a homogeneous mixture of different gases? Because we know that air is nothing but a mixture of gases. Whenever it is a mixture of gases, there is a particular percent of the gases, and if that percent is maintained, then the air is, you can say, safe for us. And if the air has more or less, you can say, percentage of the given gases, then it may affect our health. There are hazardous gases which are released during the fuel combustion. That is nothing but carbon monoxide, due to the, you can say, less burning of the fuel combustion. This is caused. Contamination of the, you can say, harmful substances like poisonous gases, smoke, particulate matter, microbes. This is called as a air pollution. What happens whenever there is a contamination? That means there is a mixing of some harmful substances. Which are the harmful substances? The harmful substances are nothing but the poisonous gases, smoke, particulate matter, microbes. These all are mixing into the air. Then and then we can say that air is polluted. There are some reasons for the air pollution. What are they? See here. Natural reasons I have written here. Volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption is caused due to volcano. Now whenever the eruption is caused, solid gases, liquid material emerge out of that eruption. Hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, ammonium chloride, hydrogen gas and vapors, they all come out whenever there is a volcanic eruption. Then next comes the earthquake. Whenever there is earthquake, the poisonous gases, or you can say water vapors, which are present inside the earth, they are released all into the air. Then see cyclones and dust storms. Dust storms, what does it contain? It contains dust, soil, garbage, pollens, microbes, all these are mixed with the air. Forest fires. See, we know that the forests are lit on fires due to some reason. They release carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, smoke. These all is released into the, you can say, forest fire. Microbes in air. Spores of the bacteria or fungi, they are mixed with the air. Then see, there are some man-made reasons also. Fuel, about the fuel we are saying, whenever there is a burning of a fuel like coal, timber, LPG, kerosene, diesel, petrol, what it releases? It releases carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, lead compounds, all these are released into the air, and this causes the air pollution. Then see, burning of solid waste. Whenever there is a burning of solid waste, or you can say agricultural waste in an open space, this also causes the air pollution. Industrialization. Nowadays we see that most of the industries are set up. So what does happen? Whenever there is an industry, there is a smoke as well as there is a smoke. Now the smoke which is released from the factories, what does it contain here? Sulfur powder, nitrogen oxide, cotton seed powder, all these are mixed into the air. Then see, atomic energy plant and blast. There is atomic energy plants everywhere, anywhere. They are located in some regions. See, use of the elements like you can say uranium, thorium, graphite, plutonium release the radiations, and these radiations when come in air, they cause the air pollution or they affect the, you can say, people's health.